When it comes to giving Android upgrades, most of the Android manufacturers are very bad. That includes Asus. But Asus has now released a list to which Android smartphones will be getting the Android Pie update. So let's have a look at them. First of all is the Zenfone 5, and it is mentioned that it has been upgraded already. Same for the Asus Zenfone 5Z, and the Asus ROG phone will be upgraded soon to Android Pie. As for the rest of the smartphones, there is no specific timeline, and Asus has only mentioned the year 2019. So here is the list: Asus Zenfone Max, Asus Zenfone 4 Selfie, Zenfone 4 Max, Zenfone Selfie Live, Zenfone 4 Max, Zenfone Max Plus M1, Zenfone 5 Lite, Zenfone Live L1, Zenfone Max Pro M1, Zenfone Max M1, Zenfone Max Pro M2, Zenfone Max M2. So these are the list of devices that will be getting Android Pie upgrade, and if you're not having your device on this list, it is highly likely that you will not be getting another Android upgrade. But if any other news does come out, I will be making a video on that as well. And so do subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and if you like this video, click on the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.